In this video, we will talk about how to start a tech startup, so make sure to watch the full video. Starting a tech startup involves identifying a unique problem, validating your idea, building a strong team, and creating an MVP. Securing funding, developing a business plan, and establishing a solid tech infrastructure are key. Marketing, navigating legal requirements, and scaling effectively will ensure your startup's long-term success and growth. 1. Identifying a unique problem to solve. Every successful tech startup begins by identifying a significant, unmet need or problem in the market. This is the foundation of your business idea. To start, immerse yourself in the industry or domain you're passionate about, and look for pain points that haven't been effectively solved or can be improved with innovative technology. Analyze trends, conduct interviews, and research what customers struggle with on a daily basis. Focus on creating a solution that is scalable, can be automated or improved by tech, and addresses a broad audience. A great startup solves a problem that many people have, but few have solved well, providing a clear value proposition. 2. Validating your tech startup idea. Once you have a problem worth solving, the next step is validating your solution before investing heavily. Idea validation is about testing whether there is a market need and willingness to pay for the product or service you plan to offer. This involves engaging with potential customers early on, conducting surveys, interviews, or even creating a basic prototype or mock-up to demonstrate your idea. A key method is building a minimum viable product, MVP, to test your concept with real users. Through validation, you'll gain valuable feedback on what your customers truly want, allowing you to tweak and refine your concept. 3. Building a strong and focused team. Your team will be the backbone of your tech startup. It's essential to build a team with diverse skill sets that complement each other, combining technical, operational, and strategic expertise. Typically, a strong tech startup begins with a technical co-founder who can build the product, and a business co-founder who can handle sales, marketing, and operations. As you scale, you'll need team members who are experienced in software development, user experience, marketing, customer service, and finance. Early hires should be adaptable, passionate, and committed to the vision of your startup, as they will be required to wear multiple hats in the early stages. Surround yourself with people who believe in your mission and are willing to tackle the challenges that come with building a startup. A motivated and skilled team can make all the difference in the success or failure of your venture. 4. Creating a minimum viable product, MVP. Developing a minimum viable product, MVP, is critical for getting your tech startup off the ground quickly. The MVP is the simplest, functional version of your product that can be used to test your idea with real customers. Rather than investing heavily in a full-fledged product, focus on creating just enough to gather feedback and prove your concept. The goal is to deliver a solution that solves the core problem and allows you to validate the idea without spending excessive time or money. Once launched, observe how customers interact with the MVP, and use their feedback to improve the product iteratively. 5. Developing a business plan and strategy. A solid business plan is essential to the long-term success of your startup. Your business plan should outline your company's mission, target market, value proposition, revenue model, and growth strategy. It's important to define clear short-term and long-term goals, along with measurable milestones for each phase of development. In addition, you need to carefully outline your financial projections, including funding requirements, expected expenses, and revenue forecasts. Make sure your business plan addresses how your tech startup will compete in the market, acquire customers, and scale operations. This strategic document will also be instrumental in convincing investors and stakeholders to back your startup, so it needs to be comprehensive and compelling. Periodically revisit and update your business plan as your startup grows and market conditions evolve. 6. Securing funding and financial backing. Once you've validated your idea and developed an MVP, you'll need to raise capital to scale your business. Securing funding for a tech startup can come from several sources, such as bootstrapping, angel investors, venture capitalists, or crowdfunding. Begin by assessing how much money you need to cover the next 12 to 18 months of operations, including development, marketing, hiring, and scaling. Investors will expect you to present a detailed financial plan showing how their money will be spent and when they can expect returns. Early-stage startups often rely on angel investors or seed funding, but as you grow, you may attract venture capitalists interested in larger investments. Additionally, you could explore grants or loans aimed at technology startups. Remember that securing funding isn't just about money, it's about finding partners who can offer strategic guidance and connections that can help your startup succeed. 7. Establishing a robust tech infrastructure. As a tech startup, the technology stack you choose will be the engine behind your product's success. The infrastructure you build should be scalable, reliable, and secure. Choose the right platforms, frameworks, and programming languages that can support your growth and provide flexibility for future expansion. In the early stages, cloud-based services like AWS or Google Cloud can be cost-effective solutions for hosting and managing your product infrastructure. For software development, adopt modern project management tools, code repositories, and collaborative platforms to keep your team aligned and efficient. Security should also be a priority from day one, ensuring that you comply with privacy regulations and protect user data. Setting up solid tech foundations early will prevent costly technical debt later on, making it easier to scale and maintain your product as you grow. 8. Navigating legal and compliance requirements. Tech startups often face complex legal and compliance challenges that need to be addressed early on. Start by choosing the right legal structure for your startup, such as an LLC, corporation, or partnership, each of which has different tax and liability implications. Protecting your intellectual property is also critical, especially in tech. Consider patents, trademarks, and copyrights to safeguard your product or technology. In addition, you'll need to navigate data protection laws like GDPR or CCPA, ensuring your business complies with relevant regulations that protect consumer data and privacy. Contracts with employees, partners, and investors should also be carefully reviewed to avoid future legal disputes. It's wise to work with a lawyer specializing in startups to help navigate these complexities and ensure your business is protected from the outset. 9. Marketing and growing your startup. A great product is only successful if people know about it, so marketing is essential to growing your tech startup. Develop a marketing strategy that highlights your product's unique value proposition and resonates with your target audience. Utilize a combination of digital marketing tactics, including SEO, content marketing, social media, and paid advertising, to build brand awareness and drive traffic to your website or platform. Growth hacking strategies, such as viral marketing campaigns or referral programs, can also accelerate your startup's early growth. Additionally, building relationships with customers through engaging content, social proof, and active customer support will help build trust and brand loyalty. As you scale, continuously analyze your marketing efforts and optimize your strategy based on data-driven insights to ensure long-term success. 10. Scaling your tech startup for success. Scaling a tech startup requires a strategic approach to manage growth sustainably. Once you've established product market fit, focus on expanding your customer base, increasing revenue, and optimizing internal processes. Automation and operational efficiency become critical as you scale, so invest in tools and technologies that allow your startup to grow without a proportional increase in costs. Hiring and training new team members is also essential to support growth while maintaining the company's culture and values. Consider expanding into new markets or offering additional products or services that complement your original offering. Maintain strong relationships with your customers and investors, and ensure that your business infrastructure can handle increasing demand. Scaling is often the most challenging phase of a startup's life, but with a clear strategy and the right team, it's where you'll see the fruits of your hard work. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before